Hi there, how are you doing? Welcome to yet another episode of Candid Chapters. Here I am, Sapna Handa, your host, today answering all your questions regarding image consulting as a profession. As an image coach and a styling mentor, people often come and ask me this question that what exactly is image consulting? Do we really need to hire an image consultant? What is this profession all about? फॉर इयर्स सर्विंग इन द कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर ये क्वेश्चन हम अक्सर फेस करते थे क्योंकि लोग समझते थे इमेज कंसल्टिंग इज ऑल अबाउट ग्रूमिंग एंड मेकओवर्स whereas image consulting is much more than that. What exactly is image consulting? Image consulting is the process of controlling and evaluating the impact of your image first on yourself, then on others for the achievement of your goals. So, who needs image consulting? In fact, we can ask this question: ऐसा कौन है जिसने इमेज नहीं बनानी है? सबको इमेज बनानी है. Anybody who wants to sell his business, anybody who has an idea worth selling in the market needs to maintain a healthy image in the eyes of people around him or her in the professional world. Anybody who wants to increase their self worth, self esteem, credibility, self confidence levels needs to maintain their image on a regular basis. Let's look at it at this way. Let's look at a client as the canvas and you, image coach or a consultant, as the painter. What does the image coach or a consultant do? He uses all the techniques of clothing, grooming, body language, etiquette to create a beautiful piece of art which is worth selling in the market in the form of a painting so that your market value goes up, so that your credibility increases in the market. It's as good as an unpolished diamond whose market value increases after polishing. This is what image consultants do to individuals, business, clients, and companies. चलिए इमेज कंसल्टिंग को और ज्यादा सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. बचपन से ही आपके घर में इमेज मैनेजर रहा होगा जो आपकी इमेज को मेंटेन करता था, जो देखता था आपकी यूनिफॉर्म आयन है कि नहीं स्कूल के लिए, आपके बालों को शैम्पू तेल लगाना इस इमेज मैनेजर का काम होता था. और घर पे जब कोई गेस्ट आ जाता था तो घर की अच्छे से डस्टिंग होती थी, नए टेबल कवर बिछाए जाते थे टेबल पर, नई क्रॉकरी निकलती थी और डस्टिंग होती थी और घर बहुत खूबसूरत तरीके से फूलों से सजा दिया जाता था. कोई रिलीजियस फंक्शन हो, पूजा हो, तो घर सजाया जाता है. ये सबको कौन मैनेज करता है? घर की इमेज मैनेजर, आपकी मदर. So we've always been conscious about the way we are perceived in the society by others. इमेज को लेकर हम हमेशा सीरियस रहते हैं और फर्स्ट इंप्रेशंस कैसे क्रिएट करना है इसके बारे में हम हमेशा से ही कॉन्शियस रहे हैं. घर पे अगर आपने ड्राइवर को अपॉइंट करना होता है तो आप बिना ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस के किसी को नौकरी नहीं देते, क्योंकि उसने गाड़ी चलानी है और उस गाड़ी में आपकी बेटी और आपकी बीवी को बैठ के जाना है. You're not going to appoint somebody who's non-serious, who's rash in driving. When you appoint a cook, you're definitely going to see if the cook is clean or not. If the cook is wearing a clean sari and comes to the house having a bath. So we are all conscious about the way our image is in society and the way we are perceived by others in society. So if image consulting is all about wearing appropriate clothes so that you are looking like you belong in the society, can't we go to a fashion consultant or a stylist who can create a wardrobe just the way we want? तो फिर इमेज कंसल्टेंट की क्यों ज़रूरत है? हम फैशन कंसल्टेंट के पास जाके कपड़े सिलवा सकते हैं और स्टाइलिश लग सकते हैं, बिकॉज़ आजकल आपकी मार्केट वैल्यू तभी ऊपर जाती है जब आप अपनी अपीयरेंसेस को मैनेज करते हैं और अच्छा दिखते हैं. बट क्या ये सही है? लेट्स लुक एट इट. एक फैशन स्टाइलिस्ट क्या करता है और इमेज कंसल्टेंट क्या करता है? लेट्स लुक एट इट होलिस्टिकली. इमेज कंसल्टेंट is the person who is able to help you create your right image by using the techniques of clothing, grooming, body language, or etiquette so that your appearance is healthy, appropriate, and consistent. जबकि फैशन कंसल्टेंट कैन ओनली गिव यू अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर वन पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन. आप फैशन कंसल्टेंट के पास जाके एक आउटफिट सिला सकते हैं और वो आपको उस इवनिंग के लिए विजुअल इंप्रेशन क्रिएट करने में हेल्प कर सकता है. बट विल द फैशन कंसल्टेंट बी एबल टू हेल्प यू communicate effectively? Will the fashion consultant be able to help you maintain your body language? Will the fashion consultant be able to help you communicate effectively in all situations wherever you go? The answer is no. Next, image consultant is able to take into consideration your body shape, your face shape, and gives you a personalized touch as far as your personal style is concerned, so that you're able to get a unique personal style which is absolutely in coherence with your role, goal and value system. अगर आप नर्स हैं तो आपको वैसे कपड़े देगा जो आपके रोल और गोल के साथ कंसिस्टेंट हो. अगर अगर आप डॉक्टर हैं और रिलीजियस पर्सन है, एक इमेज कंसल्टेंट आपको वैसे कपड़े देगा जो कि आपकी वैल्यू सिस्टम के हिसाब से हो. जबकि फैशन कंसल्टेंट विल ओनली गिव यू द क्लोथ्स which are in trend in the market, which are fashionable. An image coach or a consultant will help you enhance your image, not only outer but inner. They work closely with the clients to help them build their self esteem, inner self worth levels, and their confidence levels so that they appear confident inside out and outside in. Whereas, on the other hand, fashion stylists will only help you create a look for one particular photo shoot or an event. They can do nothing as far as your confidence is concerned, as far as your self worth and inner self esteem is concerned. A fashion stylist is very good at giving you fast forward, fashionable, and trendy look. Let's say the airport look, wedding look, festive look, spring look, summer look, winter look, etc., etc., and etc. Whereas an image coach or an image consultant would help you maintain a sustainable wardrobe by taking into consideration the size of your wardrobe, your lifestyle, your needs, and your wants. A consultant will help you use your existing clothes effectively. At the same time, they will also help you discard all the clothes which you've not been using in the wardrobe for a very long period of time. They can help you create a variety of different looks with the same clothing pieces. Let's say if you're a CEO of the company and you need to appear and look crisp and sharp for presentations and meetings. The consultant would give you the exact size of the clothing pieces and wardrobe which is consistent with the role you're playing in the company. Let's say you're a religious person and you want to wear long robes because you attend the seminars and meetings and you address large gatherings. The consultant would be able to take into consideration your body shape and size and give you the robes which are required to conduct the ceremonies and meetings. This is the difference between the fashion stylist and a consultant. What does a fashion stylist do? A fashion stylist is able to give you a trendy look for one particular occasion, which will not help you make right choices for the future. You're always dependent on the fashion consultant for advice. Whereas an image consultant makes you a pro at becoming your own artist in picking up the right clothing pieces for occasions and events where you go. Since he or she is a pro and an artist in creating the masterpiece, while sitting with a fashion consultant and an image consultant, because they are both one, you can become a pro at it. You can become your own fashion stylist by sitting with an image consultant. So, do you want to dress to impress or do you want to dress to express? Or do you want to do both? If you want to dress to impress as well as express, then go ahead, have a session with an image consultant because he is both a fashion stylist as well as a consultant who can help you make wise future choices as far as your clothing pieces are concerned. You will have no dilemma when you meet an image consultant as far as what suits you, what doesn't suit you. what should go into your wardrobe, what shouldn't go into your wardrobe, and what you need to wear for different occasions, social, business, professional. So, see you again in the next segment. Bye bye from Sapna Handa. Till we meet again.